The whole family of aunts and uncles and nephews has gathered around the bedside of Buoso Donati, who is the head of the family, who's just about to die, and they're all there not because they're going to miss him, but because they want to find out who's going to get all the money in the will. Buoso dies, the family searches for the will, they find it, they read it. Disaster. He's left everything to the monks, they get not a penny and they don't know what to do. Ranuccio has a great idea. How about we go and get Gianni Schicchi, who he knows because he's in love with his daughter Lauretta, to come and he'll solve everything because he's a genius. The family, not keen on the idea, they don't want to bring outsiders into family drama, but eventually Gianni Schicchi comes, reads the will and says, guys, I don't know what to do, it's ironclad. But if you're willing to do something a little extra legal, then he can dress up as Buoso, he can put on Buoso's voice, and he can pretend to dictate a new will to a lawyer pretending to be Buoso Donati. Family love it, because this way they're going to get everything that was going to go to the monks. The lawyer comes, Buoso puts on the voice, 5-star performance, but instead of leaving it to the family, he dictates in Buoso's voice that it's all going to get left to Gianni Schicchi. The family, furious, but there's nothing they can do, so they steal everything that's not nailed down, run out of the house. Gianni Schicchi ends up with all the property and the expensive stuff, which he's then able to give as a dowry to Ranuccio and to Lauretta so they can have a happy marriage.